Hi guys, welcome back. This is PHX 2.0 and today I'm going to be showing you this 3-step Afro tech that I made yesterday. So I think I spent around an hour or an hour and a half, I'm sure, or less than that, making this whole song from composing it up until arrangement. So today I'm not going to be showing you a lot of things. I'm just going to show you the arrangement part of it, from the intro, from the intro, and then the climax, the outro, also like the break. So I'm just gonna show you how I arrange this. So this is gonna be my next song, and then on the next video, not on the next video, but I'm sure I'm gonna make another video showing you how I mixed it and also mastered the song. So right now, let me just do this. I'm gonna start with this part, which is my intro. I'm gonna try to be quick. If possible, I wanna do this in less than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do this. So on my intro, I like playing drums like for 30 minutes, and also like the single notes. It's always there when I'm making Afro tech or Afro house 3-step. So I like doing this. I start with the drums, and then I'm gonna have this note playing, and then after that I introduce a sound just a little bit to show that I'm going to change, and then after that I start bringing the so with my melodies, I like automating them. So this is what I'm doing, but the bars, it jumps in like straightforward right after the intro. So it's still part of the intro I'm building right now. So I'm building like that. Now the melodies are loud, but again, there's this other sound that I'm automating. It's coming in slowly. So that's it. Everything is starting to come together right now, so that I can have this part where people can start listening and dancing if they can dance. So it's not really the climax of the song to me, but like it's a part where I try to play everything together before the break. So in this part, from here to here, I will be playing most of the sounds that I have. After that 4 bar, I try to make some changes a bit so that it cannot be that boring. So here I start to play other sound. I think this is a snare. So I think I forgot something. So with my drums on my intro, I don't play all the drums. As you can see here, I started having the shakers and also the toms right here. So here I have this snare. I also have this log drum. It's some bit of a log drum yana right here. So there's a log drum. I'm sure you can hear it, but I didn't want it to be that loud. And then after that, I have the snare. So this is the snare right here, and I also make sure that I have a variation of the snare. So this is the same snare right up until here. So also what I did when I'm going towards the break, I automated the melody so that it can go down. It's not that loud anymore, and also this part. This is the bass. So I have two bars, the sub and this one. So I'm doing that. And then after this I have my break. So on my break, so I'm starting with the melody down. I bring it up a bit. I'm just the most of the sounds that are loud here are these notes right here, single note. The melody is coming on this one. I like playing around with the cutoff. So this is what I'm doing. So for a transition, I play. I have this right here. It's more like a package, a pack. I'm playing this pack right here, and then I have the risers. So that's it for my thing. And then when I come here, I start by dropping it down a little bit. This is where I even introduce some of the sounds, like play a lot of the sounds, a lot of variation. So the log drum here it's a little bit different from that one. So have the cymbals also, like a lot of sound, and added another note. So I am playing a lot of the sounds together right here. Just simple sounds, you know, they are not heavy anymore. Those drums are not. And then towards the end, I just play the drums. So that's it. So this is what I have. I think I'm just gonna play this song for you from this part, from the break, and then I'm out. Thank you for watching. If you have made it this far, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and share the video.